overwhelmed? This verse from the Quran is your reset button. You're tired, too much on your plate. You feel like you're failing. But listen to this. La yukallifullahu nafsan illa wusaha. Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear. He knows your strength. He knows your pain. And He is not here to break you. He is here to build you. Even the Prophet felt heavy sometimes, and he turned to dua. Say this with me. Rabbi shrah li sadri, wa yasir li amri, walul uqdatan min lisani, yafkahu qawli. My Lord, expand for me my chest. Make my task easy. Untie the knot from my tongue, so they may understand. That is your reset. Link in description to join our WhatsApp group. Subscribe for more real talk from the Quran. You got this. Allah's got you.